So the initiative I've been talking about and promoting on social media is basically this wonderful company in Huddersfield, Heat Pump Installers UK. Basically they've been taking out good quality boilers to install heat pumps, and they contacted me about a month ago to donate those boilers. Fantastic. So these boilers, they can be used for spares, they can be used for training. There is 2 or 3 charities at the moment that have came to me through the website, a food bank and 2 homeless shelters. These boilers will be put to good use. Absolutely incredible. Thank you very much, Heat Pump Installers. Really is inspirational, isn't it? Well done. Thank you, buddy. This is absolutely superb. So these products, they can be used for colleges, for training purposes, spares. In some cases, maybe they could be recited. So what a great initiative from Heat Pump Installers, Andy. Well done, buddy. Great idea, great suggestion. These boilers will be put to good use. Here is 6 boilers that were donated. All these boilers are less than 2 years old. So we've got Worcesters, we've got Intergas, another Worcester, we've got some Valence, Glowworm, we've got a Baxi. So another great donation was this flue recovery system, the gas saver. Brilliant bit of kit this. Into the boiler. That sits on top of the boiler. Products of combustion there, the terminal. As the heating's on, the products of combustion go through the actual gas saver. Comes out here. So this will extract and absorb all the latent heat from the products of combustion. And this is where the cold water main will come inside and it will be preheated from the products of combustion. So this can save up to 8% in efficiency. So when your heating's on, in effect, it's preheating your cold water going into the appliance, the combi. So, theoretically speaking, when the water main is at the coldest at winter time, it's actually being preheated. So, these are actually great products. Another donation, thanks to Heat Pump Installers UK. Magnetic filters. Again, this is saving quite a lot. This is 18 months old. This was removed because the homeowner had a heat pump installed. They donated lock shields. All this, it helps charities in fuel poverty, doesn't it? Such a wonderful donation. Such a great initiative as well. So this is a boiler jig. This can be donated to colleges, which is ideal for students to train.